Hello children, I am again in front of you with new topic. Today we will discuss something new in our EVS class. What are the basic needs of our life? अपनी लाइफ की ज़रूरी चीज़ें क्या है? We have discussed already our wonderful body, our body parts, internal structures and external body parts. They are really very important for our survival. Then we have already discussed food for us, as food is also very essential thing of our survival. Then next one, what is the important one more thing? Yes, clothes. Clothes are also very important for us. Therefore, we have to wear clean and comfortable clothes. Now, in this module, we will learn about clothes for us, different types of clothes for different seasons. People wear different types of clothes for different seasons and what we wear in different seasons. Clear? So, we wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, dust, rain, insect bites and wind. Long ago, people did not wear clothes. They covered their body. How they covered their body? They covered their body with leaves and skins of dead animals. See, this is the diagram. How people covered their body with the help of dead skin of animals and dried leaves. Slowly people learned to make different types of clothes. Now we have so many clothes. Now people, you have uniform for school. Occasional purpose, you have different types of clothes, colored clothes. So we have different types of clothes nowadays. We can wear different types of clothes for different, according to the season, according to the climate, according to the temperature. Okay, how many seasons are there? Summer, winter season and rainy season. What we wear in summer? Which type of climate is there in summer? You wear sweater in summer? No, you can't. So you are thinking which type of question ma'am is asking? Silly question, na? Because during the season of summer, there is a hot season. The sun shines over our head and the temperature also too much. So we need to wear cotton cloths, we need to wear shorts, we need to wear sunglasses. They feel us comfortable and because cotton clothes makes us cool and cotton clothes absorb the sweat. Sweat means pasina. So cotton clothes absorb the sweat. Then next one in the winter season, when temperature is less, when there is a too much cold, what you want to wear? You want to wear sweaters, blazers, then caps, scarf, hand gloves, socks, shoes. Okay. So in the season of winter, we wear woolen cloths. In the season of rainy, how we protect ourselves? We protect with the help of raincoat, with the help of umbrella. So in the rainy season, people wear raincoat and umbrella. These things are clear. So during three types of seasons are there. According to the season, according to the climate, according to the temperature, people need to wear different types of clothes. We always have to wear clean clothes because clean clothes makes us feel smart and these clothes are hygienic clothes. We always used to wear clean clothes. Never use dirty clothes. Okay children, so these things are clear for you. What we have discussed today, we have discussed different types of clothes for different seasons. And also you come to know that long ago people did not wear clothes, and what people wear? People wear this their body, they covered their body with the help of dead skin of animals and also with leaves. Some more topics are here, we will discuss in this next video. Now watch this video, that why people wear different types of clothes and what are the uses of the clothes. Clothes makes us feel good and we have to wear comfortable clothes. Okay, watch this video.
We all wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. They also make us look smart. Clothes are of different kinds. Some clothes keep us cool and some keep us warm. Clothes for different seasons. We wear clothes according to seasons. It is hot in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. We use raincoats and umbrellas to keep us dry when we go out in the rain. It is cold during winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Other clothes. School children wear their uniforms. Some people also wear uniforms according to their professions. Making of clothes. We wear different kinds of clothes. Clothes are made from fibers. We get fibers from cotton plants, sheep, and silkworms. We get cotton from cotton plants. We get wool from sheep. We get silk from silkworms. Cotton, wool, and silk are called natural fibers. Shirts, saris, bed sheets, etc. are made from cotton. Wool is used to knit clothes like sweaters, caps, and socks. Silk is used to make clothes like sari, salwar kameez, shirt, etc. Today many fibers are made in factories by machines. These fibers are also used for making clothes. These are called man-made fibers. Nylon, rayon, terracotta, polyester, etc. are man-made fibers. Many dress materials are made from these fibers. Man-made fibers last longer than natural fibers. Besides clothes, fibers are also used to make other things. For example, carpets and curtains are made from both natural and man-made fibers. People in different parts of our country wear different types of clothes. People in other countries also dress differently. Care of clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. Clean clothes keep us healthy. We should wash our clothes properly when these get dirty. We should iron our clothes. If we take proper care of our clothes, these will last longer. We should keep our clothes in a clean place. We should store clothes properly when these are not in use.
Have you seen this video? I think all the things are clear for you after watching this one. Okay? Rest of the things in next video. Have a blessed day.